Let's say we had a file full of end-of-line characters like this one. And we want to replace those end-of-line characters with another character. This is how we would do it. Let's say my other character is the letter A. And so now when we look at the file that I created with all those end-of-line characters, it should have many A's in it, many A characters. Let's take a look. And there we are. Of course, substitute the name of these files with your own. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you enjoy more content like this.